Hey, good morning everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Hey, today we're talking a little bit about the cameras. They're not GoPro, but they're pretty good. I've never had a GoPro because these work good, so I didn't spend the money for a GoPro. But anyway, on my electric bicycle here, the one thing I wanted to show you is this is a mount for one of my cameras, and as I'm showing you this video, I'm going to show you some footage from some of my cameras. But on this particular bike, this is my RadWagon from Rad Power Bikes. But you can hook up a cable right here underneath the display, and you can connect it to your camera here. Let me show you how I do that. Hold on a second, if I can do it with one hand. And so that's facing towards me, but if I want it facing frontwards, which I do most of the time, I just turn it around like that. And then if the battery's low or I forget to charge it or whatever, I can just plug this in right here, right there on the side. And then I've got my camera all set up and got it plugged in to charge, and me and old Scully can be riding and videoing and all that kind of stuff. But that's two of my camera setups, and in another one I set one back here on the back to look back behind the bike. And this is another way. There's a little stick for the camera or cell phone, and then you can record, you know, whatever you're doing going down the road. And that's pretty cool. The cell phone stick, you can put your little GoPro camera on there too, because the cell phone gets quite heavy real fast. And there's another bike that we're working on, and this is like a bike graveyard here. There's another one, and it's got a flat tire and a bad tube. But anyway, that's the camera setup. It's pretty good, it works pretty good, it's cool, have a lot of fun with it. The setup here, I like this too, pretty good. Then I have my little mace thing here, and my flashlight, that if I have an emergency and need a flashlight, I got one right here. Gotta keep set up here. So anyway, this is Harold, welcome back to the channel. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe. And that's some ways that you can record while you're out riding on your electric bike and just out having fun. The cable is going to my camera. It don't really show it using any, it says USB, see that? USB, that means my camera's hooked up. My battery was completely dead on my camera, so I'm going to go out for a little ride and see if it works for me. Thought I was going to have some company, but he ain't showed up yet. I need to adjust my brakes. My brakes are squealing. I'm going to put my telephone up here. I got all kinds of cables hanging off of me now. What kind of what? Cables. What the hell? You been riding my bike? Get off my damn bike! What the hell? You got this thing up so high it's like I'm trying to reach the damn moon. Them long ass legs of yours. They got cut off. I'm just going to go around the neighborhood now. Go to the right. I'm going to slow down. Whew. I'm doing 22 miles an hour. Well, that's faster than I can't go that fast. Man, what a USB charger works for my camera. I plugged my camera into the controller because it was dead. Going to the right. Yep. Oh man, this thing's hard to pedal. This thing's hard to pedal. I don't know. Everything sound all right? Computers and everything on this? Sounds good. How do you like it? Does it set up right for you now? Does it set good? Oh yeah. Is my tail light on? Yeah, hell yeah, it's on.